After yesterday's and today's knowledgeable session and lovely performances, the time has come for some Punjabi tadka. Is everyone ready for Punjabi tadka? Yes. Baisakhi is on the edge, so we are going to start our new year with Bless Baisakhi. Our Tambola is based on Baisakhi, having some rules. So please have a look on your ticket and go through the prizes. I think everyone is having a ticket in their hands. That is one number in Dhol Vajda, one number from Mitradi Gaddi. Understand? Yeah. And Sarso Ka Saag, Makki Ki Roti, all blue numbers. When you will cross your all blue numbers, then you will say Sarso Da Saag.
Balle,
Okay?
balle.
So we are going to start our game.
Yay!
Is Suman, and the third lucky one is Reema.
रंग देख लो बिना डोर तो है उड़ती पतंग देख लो आज मुंडे होए इन्ना ते मलंग देख लो.
So you have to drink all the pack, then you will get the prize.
5 and 3, 53. 5 and 3, 53. 1, 2, 12. Make a dozen. 1, 2, 12. 1, 8, 18. कनाडा का पासपोर्ट. और किसका हुआ? कनाडा का पासपोर्ट. और
सॉरी, कनाडा नहीं होता, इसको ठीक से बोलिए पंजाबी में.
कनाडा का पासपोर्ट.
30,
इट्स कनाडा दा पासपोर्ट.
हाँ बोलिए.
18.
18, 25 and 28. Yes.
Yes.
So Canada the passport
नहीं,
आ
और
जाइए
रच
तू कंडी बिग बैन दी पूरा
सिक्स सिक्स
मित्रादी गड्डी, या प्लीज टेल द नंबर.
नंबर वहीं से बोलो.
चेक करिए.
76, 74,
76
71.
नहीं हुआ है, सॉरी.
Already done. Next number is 62, 62,
62,
62, 62, 2020, 2020.
and please be careful about the Punjab ka swad and Shere Punjab because they are the smallest.
क्या भुल गया होना
Wonderful.
और
Clap
किसे
for her.
डुल ते आख्या भुल गया होना और किसे ते डुल गया होना ऐडा नी सुखाला छड्डी दा यारा पैगाला छड्डी दा. ओ बल्ले बल्ले जे सोहणिया दे रंग देख लो बिना डोर तो है उड़ती पतंग देख लो. ओ बल्ले बल्ले जे सोहणिया दे रंग देख लो बिना डोर तो है उड़ती पतंग देख लो आज मुंडे होए इन्ना ते मलंग देख लो बिना डोर तो है उड़ती.
थोड़ी चेस्ट चेस्ट ओ जेड़ा देखे सोने हैं ये सबसे
राजा राजा करती ही रहे सोने हैं ये सबसे.
लश लश करते यार
afternoon. Myself, Rotarian Anju Jalan, partner of DGND, Ajit Jalan, take an immense pleasure to be here. Friends, I congratulate the incoming First Lady, Sujata Trikhaji, who has arranged this wonderful program. Friends, I can completely understand how you all are feeling today. कभी मैं भी आप सबकी तरह प्रेसिडेंट इलेक्ट की पार्टनर बेटर हाफ थी. मेरे माइंड में भी चल रहा था मेरा क्या रोल होगा, मुझे क्या करना होगा, मुझे कैसे सपोर्ट करना होगा. बट दैट वाज द ईयर विच आई मेड fall in love with Rotary. Trust me friends, this will be the best of your life. You have 365 days of this beautiful year. So do your best and give your best and enjoy. Be the backbone of your partners. आप सब वो सपोर्ट सिस्टम हैं जिनकी उन्हें पल पल ज़रूरत होगी. So all the amazing partners sitting here, all the best for your coming year. May you all have great, outstanding, memorable year, which you all are going to cherish throughout your life. Thank you so much.
Happy Vaisakhi to all of you. On behalf of entire district team, we extend our sincere gratitude to our esteemed guest, Mrs. Amita Kotbhavgi, for gracing us with her invaluable presence. Thanks to all COG partners, Rajshri ji, Rajni Talwar ji, Anjali Dhingra ji, Sunita Mangla ji, Dr. Lalita Subra, Sujata Trikha ji, Deepti Gupta ji, Anjali Jalan, and all the partners of district team and partners of President-elect. Thanks for joining us and gracing us with your presence and today's beautiful session. Parikshan बैसाखी ब्लिस. आप सबको बैसाखी की बहुत बहुत बधाई. आने वाला साल आपको आपके जीवन में खुशियाँ लाए और आपके जीवन को रंगों से भर दे. I extend my sincere gratitude to each one of you who has contributed to the success of today's event. Your presence, participation and invaluable contribution have made this gathering truly memorable. I want to extend my sincere gratitude to Rajshri ji for her welcoming speech, which beautifully set the atmosphere for our event, today's event. Sujata Trikha ji, your opening remarks sparked excitement and set the stage for an exciting day ahead. Sujata ji, your thoughtful gesture of arranging Fulkari dupattas for everyone added a touch of elegance and warmth to the event. And Dr. Amita Kotbhavgi ji, she has left. Thanks for sharing her words of wisdom, which has undoubtedly left a lasting impact on all of us. And thanks to Dr. Pushpa Sethi ji, your talk was enlightening, thought-provoking, and stimulating fruitful discussion among all our participants. And the games we played during the lunch break were a great way to relax and bond with each other. Thanks to Seema Jain and Rashmi Bhutani for arranging the games.
Please welcome Garima Mishra from Rotary Club of Delhi South End. Let's put our hands together for her. She's specially driven down for this session and she's going to drive back all the way to Delhi. I think some commitment, I see that is the kind of commitment, and we need to give her a huge round of applause for this Herculean effort. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you, DGE Mahesh Trikhaji, for giving me this opportunity. Well, I want to show you a picture. Can I have the emoji, please? इसको देख के क्या याद आ रहा है? Well, to me, it is all of you who have attended Herculean sessions today of learning. I think ये आप लोगों की स्थिति मुझे कुछ ज्ञान दिला रहा है. So I am going to be kind. Why I am going to be kind? Because I have also been a past president. I have gone through all of this that you have. So थोड़ी empathy तो बनती है ना यार. I will not do any presentation. I will not talk too much. we will have an interactive session. I also understand that by now, with all the learning sessions that you guys have had, you would have your mental sponge would have reached its saturation point. So no gyan as much as possible. But just, so that we can make it interactive, one has to have the context setting right. Context setting बहुत important होता है. If I just start saying कि अच्छा चलिए आप बताइए public image के बारे में, it gets a little difficult. So what I'm going to do is I am going to be doing a context setting. एक सच मैंने यहाँ ऊपर आने से पहले ये वादा किया है कि मैं जो बोलूँगी सच बोलूँगी, सच के सिवा कुछ नहीं बोलूँगी. डायलॉग जो मैं बोलने वाली हूँ, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, कट कॉपी पेस्ट फ्रॉम चैट GPT आप भी कर सकते हैं, बट स्टिल फॉर योर इन्फॉर्मेशन आई विल क्विकली डिफाइन पब्लिक इमेज फॉर यू. Public image refers to the perception or reputation that an individual, organization, or entity holds among the general public. It encompasses how they are perceived, portrayed, and understood by the public through various channels such as media, communications, behavior, and visual representation. Public image plays a crucial role in shaping opinions, influencing decisions, and impacting relationships with stakeholders. समझ आया? बहुत अच्छी बात है, नहीं तो चैट GPT जिंदाबाद. What are the basic tools? Can someone tell me? I'm sure आप लोग अपने businesses, अपने offices, अपने professions चला रहे हैं, and थोड़ी सी marketing तो सब जगह लगती है, चाहे वो CEO, lawyer हो या businessman. Am I right? आजकल तो doctors भी marketing करते हैं. Have you seen those ads in the papers with doctors coming up? So marketing is something that's part of everybody now, every profession I would say. Anybody here, or rather I will go through my list of presidents here. So do we have the president-elect from Delhi Central? Do we have? Hi. Any thoughts? What could be the tools for increasing, enhancing public image? Can we have the mic for her? Yeah.
So social media, definitely.
Absolutely.
A lot on Insta, Twitter, I think we need to do that. Facebook, website needs to be revived. And and wherever possible, try to showcase Rotary whichever, do events that can showcase Rotary.
Absolutely. Thank you for making my job easy.
Whatever donations and the things we are distributing around, we'll put the stickers in everything that we are distributing, having a club name, district and everything, so that whatever, like in schools or in old age homes, anywhere, so that way more people will know who is doing it. Even once we are gone from that place, that sticker will remind them it was Rotary. So this is another thing that I've thought of.
Absolutely. So that's a way of reaching out to more and more people and telling more and more people about Rotary. That's what you're trying to say, right? Absolutely.
Garima, I'd just like to add one thing. We also need to understand the difference between public image and marketing. So, I mean, most of the things we are talking about is more related to marketing. When we talk about public images, how Rotary is perceived by the public in general.
Yes.
तो हमारी image क्या है? So marketing तो हम बाद में करेंगे. अभी हम अपने आप को कैसे प्रस्तुत करें लोगों के सामने? That is more important. People should not perceive Rotary कि सिर्फ NGO है या सिर्फ social service करता है या सिर्फ दारू पी के parties करते हैं. No, that is what public image means. कि how do we portray ourselves as a community?
Absolutely. You're bang on.
One way to improve upon public images, as our counterparts have been telling and very nicely put upon, relating Rotary to one very relevant cause is one way of improving the public image. Polio eradication has been one way, and now going towards education is the other way Rotary has picked it up. So associating our projects, our club, along with the Rotary International goals, and to portray them in the right cause direction will be the one way to improve our public image.
Absolutely. You guys are damn right. You're absolutely bang on. Everyone that has come up with the point is so very relevant. You are so right. But as Ajay said, that all these things we do and how do we do is also very, very important. So most of us, see, this is what I've felt, that as presidents, हम कहीं भूल जाते हैं कि हम रोटरी के लिए, पहले रोटरी के लिए, फिर अपने क्लब के लिए हैं. थोड़ा सा मैं देखती हूँ कि कहीं ना कहीं वो डाइल्यूट होके ऐसा लगने लगता है कि रोटरी और हमारा क्लब हमारे लिए है. You know, that should not happen. What I'm trying to say here is that a lot of times, I'm also the current year public image. Let me just complete this. And I see there is a banner के आगे सारे Rotarians खड़े हैं, beneficiary कहीं दिख ही नहीं रहा है, beneficiary गायब है, Rotary का project गायब है, बस हम खड़े हैं और हमारी photo है. That should not happen. You have to talk, your work should talk about you. Why should you need to talk? ज़रूरत नहीं है, तुम्हारे काम को बात करना चाहिए. So the banner should talk about the project that you have done. Your beneficiary should talk about the benefits that he has gained. जब वो बच्ची या वो विकलांग या वो differently abled इंसान अपने मुंह से बोलेगा कि उसको ये benefit मिला, just imagine the kind of impact that you will create on society. That's what I'm saying. When you do it right, people will come to help you with funds. People will come and join hands to do good work with you. You will not need to go asking and begging for it. It's just very important that we do it right. Please, you were saying something.
I am Rajiv Sikka, President-elect for the Rotary Club Faridabad Industrial Town. What I understand from public image, like I have to create an image, like people come to me, I want to be part of your Rotary Club. I should be so passionate about being in the Rotary that people should follow me without like me selling it, no, please come and join my club.
Yeah, but the only thing is when you're showcasing your passion should show, not you. That's the little difference that we need to ensure whenever we do anything on public image, when we talk about our work, that is what we should try and remember. Again, a friend of mine here mentioned about social media tools, right? The foremost social media tool is your website. You would be astonished to know that हम सब जानते हैं, अपने businesses में जानते हैं, सब अपने work में जानते हैं कि website बनाना कितना ज़रूरी है. But जब Rotary की बात आती है हम भूल जाते हैं. आज की डेट में 138 क्लब्स में से सिर्फ 87 क्लब्स ऐसे हैं जिन्होंने अपनी वेबसाइट बनाई है. Why? Do you know how much it costs to make a Rotary website? Can anybody tell me? Here?
12,000 rupees.
Where did I hear that?
Here.
Yes. 11,000 plus GST. Absolutely. And do you know that how easy it is?
Absolutely.
Can you tell me how if you had to make your Rotary website? I know that you already have one, but still, how would you go about it?
Well, there is an agency which is there, nominated by the Rotary Foundation, and it's so easy. All you have to do is tell them to create the website. And, everything that you upload in the projects is already in the website. You don't have to upload it. Whenever you upload anything on the, Rotary Central, it automatically gets updated in your website.
And how do you reach out to this agency, if I may ask?
They're there on the Rotary Central thing, rotary.org.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So there's something called the marketplace. When you log into rotary.org, उसमें एक marketplace आएगा, वो marketplace पे आप click करेंगे तो automatically वो आपको बता देगा कि कैसे करना है. Lucky to have Mr. Narendra Rao, who is the webmaster for India, who is with us. I'm sure you know him. That is another request that I have from all of you. Please have continuity in your social media handles, in your websites. It's a request. That is how you can reach out to more and more people continuously.
Public image, what Garima is talking about, that has to percolate from top to bottom. We can't go on figuring it or changing it every year. It doesn't make sense. And if you do that, and let me tell you, if 10 clubs are following it, it is actually going to be felt and accepted by so many others rather than we bringing in our own, small thesis, or that doesn't really work like that. There needs to be a change, and let's try it this year.
Apple, Microsoft, Spotify, any of these brands wouldn't have become these brands if everybody disintegrated them at local levels. That is my humble request to each one of you. Please refrain from doing this.
I have a question. Yeah.
Sure, please.
I'm the PE for Delhi South. And
Name.
I have a question to both of you. I'm a part of Oracle as well, so technology has been in my blood for long. In front of YouTube, Insta, why would you still propose, and I'm sorry if I'm not sounding positive, but I just wanted to ask you, why would you still propose websites, right, as against, or rather, when you compare websites to YouTubes and all, why would you still promote it?
Your company has a website. You also have a YouTube, you have an Instagram, you have something else. Then why do you need a website for your company? Because the concept is simple. That website shows what you want to show there. If you're talking about Facebook or Insta, there may be too many things there. So in case I want to find out what exactly your specific club is doing, I can get the entire story about the club there. So what exactly you want to share to the world is seen there in a club website. Same thing for a district website. What public wants to know is showed by the club, district to the world. So when it comes to a Facebook, there may be a party, there is a fun thing happening in the club, that is shown there. Maybe that's not what you want to show to the world. That's what you have just shared it because it's our Facebook channel, we have just shared it there. But in the website, you will exactly show the clean image that you want to show to the world.
No, I beg to differ slightly here because the domains are different. The domain in which I operate, it requires a certain amount of refreshed data, right, to put it. But in terms of Rotary, now we are doing a lot of projects. Our main purpose is to showcase the kind of good social service which we are doing in various aspects. And the live examples of that are very well displayed through YouTube channels. I'm just giving you my perspective from a layman through YouTube, Facebook, Insta, where you have live feeds going up and down and there are some reactions and you can interact better. The point is that in the case of Rotary, it will only serve well, as we've been discussing, for maybe donations. But in terms of refreshing data, I think the other channels are slightly better. So that answer, well, we could kind of debate over it, but from a usability perspective, it's kind of just a platform. A website is just a platform from a Rotary standpoint, just to showcase data to an extent.
See, now tell me one thing. Let's assume that your club has a website. So you are showing the right content and data there in the website. So that's what you can show it to. Example, you are talking to a CSR company. You will show a club website that it shows official content, everything there. Imagine you show a Facebook page there, which does not exactly give you the same respect and value. Here you can show, okay, this is what our club has done on basic education. This is what we've done in the water. This is what we've done in the so-and-so. The entire documentation is like your presentation, which you may want to show it. This is what my club has done in the last year. This is what my club has done in the previous to that. The story is there. So a club website gives you that. For example, you want to search for a...
In one word, what I would like to say, the website is your identity. YouTube, Facebook, all these are ways and means of promoting your identity. I hope I answered that.
I want to add one thing. Whenever we prepare our website, and once in a week, at least once in a week, we should log in that website through admin, and we should update our photos, our events. That time in a Google algorithm, our website will comes up. So that is most important thing. And frequently when we are updating our website, and the links of our social media to our website front page. So that time that will be synchronized properly. So that will be impactful. So this is my just addition.
We are coming from up, down, and here we are in the normal, like small Rotary clubs, let's say 138 or 150 odd clubs. But why don't you have, as you say, everything is uploaded on the Rotary International activity. All activities are uploaded. Then why do we need all these websites? Everything is there on the Rotary. Anyone wants to see any club can visit that site and can view it.
Or let's say you want to meet someone and you want to show your club story. You can't show that in Rotary International website. So for that, you need to have your own club's entity. No, there is no section in each club there where, let's say, a non-Rotarian wants to go and see what is your club doing there. You can't find that.
Okay. So we can, in the paucity of time, we will close the interactive session. Just, I want to tell you the objectives that we are taking for 24-25. We request, and thanks to DG Mahesh, who's taking public image very, very seriously, there are certain objectives that we want to take, and they will become the eligibility criteria for any reward and recognition programs that we are going to have in the year. One, that every club has to have a public image chair. Two, that every club has to have a website. Three, that the public image chair should go through the learning center, public image learning center. It's a 15-minute thing. It's only 15 minutes. That's all it takes to complete the learning center certification. The certificate's going to be imperative. We are also constituting a public image trophy, which is going to be given at the end of the year. Hence, it's a humble request that please ensure that you have your public image chair in place. Just for everybody to know, this year, we will also have 7 zonal public image chairs, 1 chair under every admin. That is how it's going to be, so that there is going to be ease. All these questions that you have, they can answer and make it easier. So guys, request you all, let's do this together. Let's work together towards the public image of Rotary, the brand that we all represent. Thank you so much.
Please stay back, Garima, for a minute. Mahesh, DG Mahesh, may I request you to please present a small token of our appreciation to past President Garima.
कहते हैं कि आशाएं कभी ख़त्म नहीं होती, चाहे छोटी हो चाहे बड़ी हो. Welcome friends to Basic Education and Literacy. We have another very beautiful film. एक आपको मैं दिखाना चाहूँगी before we start talking. Can we have the film? And I'd like to invite Pranji also. He's given his inputs on.
कोई भी शहर, कोई भी गांव हो, इंसान बिना विद्या के अधूरा है. शिक्षा इंसान को बेहतर जीवन जीने के तरीके बताती है. अच्छी नौकरी, मान सम्मान विद्या के बदौलत ही संभव है. पूरे भारत में लगभग 75% विद्यालय सरकारी हैं और देश के 65% विद्यार्थी इन्हीं सरकारी स्कूलों में पढ़ते हैं. और इन सरकारी स्कूलों से विद्यार्थी IAS, IPS, इंजीनियर, डॉक्टर तथा अन्य प्रतिष्ठित पदों पर चुने जाते हैं और समाज के उत्थान के लिए काम करते हैं और अपने परिवार का नाम रोशन करते हैं. रोटरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट 3011 एजुकेशन को बहुत ही गंभीरता से लेता है और इसीलिए दिल्ली, फरीदाबाद, गुड़गांव, रोहतक, रेवाड़ी और पलवल में प्राथमिक सरकारी विद्यालयों के साथ मिलकर शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में हर संभव अपना योगदान दे रहा है. इसकी शुरुआत दिल्ली में लगभग 12 वर्ष पहले हुई थी और कल की हुई यह शुरुआत आज RILM के अंतर्गत संगठित रूप से जारी है. RILM के टीच कार्यक्रम अर्थात T for टीचर सपोर्ट, E for e-learning and A एडल्ट लिटरेसी, C चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट, H हैप्पी स्कूल की प्रक्रिया के अंतर्गत शिक्षा को जरूरतमंदों तक पहुंचाना सुगम हो गया है. डिस्ट्रिक्ट 3011 के सभी क्लब से अनुरोध है कि अपने आसपास के क्षेत्र में कम से कम एक सरकारी स्कूल अवश्य एडॉप्ट करें. आप सभी शिक्षा के महत्व को बेहतर तरीके से समझते हैं, तो आइए आज हम शपथ लें कि हम अपने आसपास के क्षेत्र के सरकारी प्राथमिक विद्यालय तथा गरीबों के बच्चों को शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में हर संभव मदद का प्रयास करेंगे।
Under the magic of Rotary, which you see here today with all your dynamic leaders who are coming up, probably we'll touch the lives of 2 lakh children. We need your cooperation. For that, Ruchi ji has made an elaborate program which will elaborate to you and give you all the details. Thank you once again. God bless you.
दोस्तों बस 5 मिनट के लिए आपका अटेंशन चाहिए। आज हमने ये फिल्म देखी और 2 दिनों में हम सब कार्य कैसे कर रहे हैं आप सोच सकते हैं। इट इज़ क्योंकि हम साथ हैं। साथ चलकर बहुत बड़ा काम होता है। अकेले चलें तो संघर्ष है, मिलकर चलें तो उत्कर्ष है। किसी भी कार्य को संपन्न करने के लिए first and foremost is coming together like we all are here today. The fact that we have gathered here, leaving the comfort of our homes, our office, speaks a lot. आपके यहाँ होने से यही एक दर्शाता है कि we are here on a commitment to contribute, to serve to the community. इसलिए दूसरे दिन भी आप सब लोग इसी तादाद में हैं, तो आप सब के लिए तालियां हो जाएं. Let's clap for ourselves. Thank you very much. So, basic education and literacy is of vital importance and it is amongst the 7 focus areas of Rotary. Education क्या है? Education हर किसी व्यक्ति को पूछे तो उसकी definition अलग होती है. Dictionary या Google खोलें तो education is training, शिक्षा, तालीम, पढ़ाई, covering primary, secondary and higher adult education. Literacy defines ability to read and to write, साक्षरता, लिखने व पढ़ने की योग्यता. मगर दोस्तों, केवल लिखना पढ़ना आना ही education नहीं है. Combination with knowledge, wisdom on a human mind and body level is truly education. Where India boasts of the best of brains in the world, in terms of best doctors, best scientists, IT experts, etc. Every field, हर क्षेत्र में हिंदुस्तान में सारी brains आपको पता है abroad में भी Indians ही हैं. Why go far? All of us here have been so fortunate to have had the privilege of going to good schools. Even our children and grandchildren go to the best of schools and colleges. Yet, we all know there is so much to be achieved in the municipal and government schools. I'm sure you would agree. हमारे देश की बुनियाद, हमारे future leaders will emerge from our government schools. And it is not only the government's job, it is our responsibility. हमारा तरफ भी कुछ दायित्व बनता है. Education to the child is the foundation of any nation. So we are nation builders. आप सोचते हैं पढ़ाई लिखाई मार्क्स अच्छे नंबर आ गए तो आप सक्सेसफुल हैं. Marks is not everything. I am, friends, spending a little time on education to understand कि हम समझ लें कि marks के साथ हर बच्चे को हम बोलते हैं पढ़ो पढ़ो marks आएंगे. एग्ज़ाम पेपर को कॉपी करके क्यों सब पास हो जाते हैं? क्यों? नकल करके क्वेश्चन पेपर तो सबका एक जैसे होता है, लेकिन ज़िंदगी में सबका क्वेश्चन पेपर अलग अलग होता है. एंड हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू लीड योर लाइफ? उसमें तो किसी की नकल नहीं हो सकती. किसी और को कॉपी करके आत्मनिर्भरता नहीं आती. Therefore, friends, हमारी जड़ें हमारा संस्कार है. Our nature, our culture equals to future. Protect our nature, preserve our culture, and our future is secure. So therefore, education has to be value-based, and we Rotarians add value to this service in terms of giving time, effort, love, and compassion. Dosto, for the past 20 years, I have been closely working in this area and would like to give you a brief update on what Rotary is doing. Rotary has embarked on a journey to upgrade municipal government schools, as you saw in the film. A lot of work is being done and things have been streamlined and made simple for us to implement and look into the school's basic needs. RILM, Rotary India Literacy Mission, has this TEACH program, which you all saw. आपने देखा है टीच, इसके आगे आपको सब नज़र आ रहा है कि टीच में टीचर सपोर्ट, ई-लर्निंग, अडल्ट लिटरेसी, चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट, हैप्पी स्कूल्स. अब हम पहले आगे क्या करना है, अपना एक स्ट्रक्चर समझ लें. स्कूल में तो पढ़ाई करनी है, बट वी मस्ट हैव अ टीम. आई मस्ट टेल यू फ्रेंड्स दैट इन District Governor elect Mahesh Trikha ke saal mein, we have a robust team of nearly 60 members, if not more. I think the largest team in the districts and perhaps the biggest in the country. We can clap for that. इतनी बड़ी literacy team कभी भी नहीं हुई, at least in my time that I have been a Rotarian. So I'm going to share the broad lines, and I just want to tell you that you are in good hands and very able chairpersons, advisors, co-chairs, all divided in zones. So कहीं पे भी आपको कुछ भी पूछना हो, you are just a phone call away. So teach का आप देखिए program has been implemented across 27 states. सबसे पहले teacher support. Teachers are our source, our pillars. We must motivate them, encourage them with workshops. We have so much of home resource. हमारे खुद के इतने लोग यहाँ पे teachers बैठी होंगी amongst all of us sitting here. And with our trainers inside, I know that there are so many Rotarians who are trainers. We could use our home resource. Teachers awards. We must acknowledge our teachers for recognizing them and doing good work. Within the framework of our TEACH program, we will cover almost every aspect which enhances quality education. Can we just see that film? हमारे teacher Abdul Kalam sir जो इतने हमारे पास president रह चुके हैं, he has been a teacher first, and let's see what the teacher has to say.
Sometime on the last bench, most of the time the first bench, but I felt the last bench and everybody has got some knowledge. Every human being has got some knowledge. A great teacher, a good teacher, his way of teaching, his way of interacting with the student, he doesn't care whether you are the first row or the last row. For him, everybody a student. For her, everybody a student. Okay?
Every teacher doesn't decipher कि पीछे कौन बैठा, आगे कौन. हर माँ बाप का बच्चा चाहे छोटा हो, चाहे कमज़ोर हो, वो उसमें कोई द्वेष नहीं लाता. That is what our teacher is of today, and we must support them. Of course, then we have the e-learning program, which is the literacy mission का program है. इसमें लक्ष्य, you know, there is an app, you can sponsor it, and जो बच्चे अच्छी पढ़ाई करते हैं, उनको आप sponsor कर सकते हैं. Adult literacy, of course, आपने देखा है कि डॉक्टर कोट बागी भी यहाँ पे थे, उन्होंने भी बात करी, और रमेश जी भी यहाँ पे हैं, वो आपसे बहुत डिटेल में बात करेंगे. अडल्ट लिटरेसी, हाउ इम्पॉर्टेंट इट इज़ टुडे at this time to promote adult literacy. These are the models, Diksha and Vidya. School based हैं, एक 101 होता है और एक center based. 101 में each one teach one है, और फिर centers बनते हैं, तो उनमें centers में भी बच्चों को पढ़ाया जा सकता है. Educating 5 crore adults with a span of 5 years, educating 50 lakh adults 2024-25, ये हमारा लक्ष्य है. Diksha model is connecting with the schools. We have already connected with many schools. Interactors and Rotaractors को हम साथ ले सकते हैं. अच्छा काम already शुरू हो गया है, इसको हमने आगे बढ़ाना है. This is the Vidya model. आप देख सकते हैं कि there is a kit. The books are available. We will be making them very easy for you to take them and start the model. How do we identify the adult learners? The list of adult non-illiterates can be procured by panchayat or block or ward office through a household survey, and in your own way you can identify drivers, maids, etc. and so on. Adult literacy partners, आपको certificate मिलेगा हमारा NIOS से, so it's a very proper exam जिसमें आपको सर्टिफिकेट मिलके आपको करार दिया जाएगा कि you are literate. Child development, how can we ignore the child? The program एक है, इसके कई पहलू हैं चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट में. एक है आशा किरण जो NGO है, चलाती है. दिस इज़ द अचीवमेंट विच हैज़ डन सो फार. ये NGO शेखर मेहता ने इसको स्टार्ट किया था और इसको ब्रॉडकास्ट किया था. इसमें NGO है, ये बच्चों को, स्ट्रीट बच्चों को, you know, construction sites and etc. they pick them up and send them back to school. And you can sponsor them, 2,500 you can send to Asha Kiran and the work goes on. But at your own level, what can you do? Mental health and well-being, personality development. You must understand the increasing cases of suicide in the educational hubs. बच्चों को ना घर पे ना स्कूल पे सिखाया जाता है how to deal with the mind, with your emotions. They get stressed, peer pressure, isolation, loneliness, financial concerns, cyberbullying, substance abuse, relationship problems. There are so many things जो बच्चों को आजकल you know बैठ के वो उदास हो जाते हैं और कभी कभी suicide भी कर लेते हैं. अब हमको क्या करना है? We don't have to be doctors and counselors to be treating them. We can start by visiting the schools, storytelling, yoga, pranayam, develop creative methods, teaching music, art, dance, theatre, sports. All these activities can be done in the school. The next is happy school. As the picture you can see कि school का हालत क्या थी और अब ये school बन के क्या हो गया है. मुझे तो कुछ बताने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं. You know कि रोटरी ज़रूरतें कैसी पूरी करता है. अगर स्कूल को पेंट कराना है या अंदर से कुछ कराना है तो आप जाके देखिए, because unless the facility is proper, the lighting is proper, fresh air, water, then only the children can learn. Happy school में क्या क्या कर सकते हैं ये आप पढ़ सकते हैं. Painting, adequate functional separate toilets, hand washing stations, drinking water, library, sports equipment, benches, well maintained space for teaching staff, shoes, school bags. All these aspects when you cover, you really make a happy school. Happy school, happy children. That's all we have to do. अब आप सोचिए एक हैप्पी स्कूल नहीं, अनेक हैप्पी स्कूल्स बनाने. नेक्स्ट इज पुस्तक, libraries. हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर महेश त्रिका, he has emphasized that we have to have as many libraries as possible in school, because friends, लोगों ने पढ़ने का शौक छोड़ दिया है. लोग पढ़ते नहीं हैं. They are on their tablets, on the social medias, but they do not like to read. We have to inculcate the habit of reading. We will provide you the books. We have the books. All you have to do is identify and make sure that the library is complete with cupboards, with places and adequate lighting. आप यहाँ मैंने ये भी लिखा है 20 libraries or more, the club will carry DG special recognition, but you must have proper documentation. Proper photographs and documentation should be there so that we know कि आपकी library is adequate and it should be in good use. अब सारा कुछ तो आपने समझ लिया कि टीच है, लाइब्रेरी बनानी है, बच्चों को करना है. अब आप क्या करेंगे? Because most of the time when I have seen working with the literacy, presidents बाद में पूछते हैं जी फिर हमने क्या करना है? Now please listen carefully, I just have a minute. Firstly, identify within your area a government school which needs your attention. Make out a list of requirements. Meet the principal. We will provide you all the necessary documents to go to the school. Meet the principal, complete the task. अगर आपने देखा है कि स्कूल में किसी चीज़ की ज़रूरत है, please complete the start. Because we don't want the faculty to say कि रोटरी आते हैं, फोटो खिंचा के चले जाते हैं. जो आपने कमिटमेंट करी है, commitment can be only felt when it oversteps convenience. Create a literacy team in your club. Like-minded members को इकट्ठा करिए, अपनी टीम बनाइए. एक प्रेसिडेंट अकेला नहीं कर पाएगा. Secondly, collaborate with organizations, NGOs and other volunteers having partners that reap rewards. It's also a good idea to have joint literacy projects, clubs के साथ मिल के आप projects करिए. Thirdly, of course, बहुत बारी बात हो चुकी है, CSR partners को आप ढूंढिए, उसके साथ आप science laboratory, solar panels, pantries, construction of toilets, ये सब आपके पास funds आएंगे. District grants can also be applied. We will have intercities, we'll be meeting all of you at the micro level. आपके पास बहुत हमारे पास आपके लिए बहुत टाइम है, so please feel free to share your ideas. हमने तो broad lines दी हैं, but you come and tell us what you would like to do. Basic education and literacy, दोस्तों, is very, very important, and there is an incentive. We've got surprise prizes of worth 2 lakhs, and I think on Teachers' Day we will be awarding the best clubs who will be doing a lot of activities in literacy. So this is not a lucky draw. This is something which you will really earn and inspire others to do so. So can we just have वो दिखा सकते हैं आपके लिए एक छोटा सा लक्ष्य.
पहचाना है यही रास्ता है तेरा तूने अब जाना है
बस just
हाँ यही सपना है तेरा तूने पहचाना है तुझे अब ये दिखाना
दोस्तों, आपके लिए प्रेसिडेंट्स 12 महीने हैं. खुद की अलग पहचान बना. भीड़ में चलने के लिए लोग है ना. थोड़ा बच्चा भी कभी बन के रहे. समझदार बनाने के लिए क्या लोग है ना. All the best to you. Thank you very much.
So we have friends amongst us, especially flown in from Mumbai, the illusionist Ashwam. Not just that, he can tell you about your first crush. Who wants to know? Anybody can be tested. I think, Ashwam, you should tell us about DG Mahesh's first crush. Okay? That is your true test. Mahesh, he's going to talk about your first crush. Guys, take care of your phones. And I'm serious. I mean it when I say he can unlock your phones. He can do stuff with your phones. So please, let's put our hands together. We are calling this the Enchanted Hour. And so this was a special surprise. This was specially kept under wraps by our First Lady Sujata. So here is the surprise. Over to you. Let's put our hands together for him once again.
Magic show is something very different, but illusion is something which is beyond magic. To be very frank, okay? Would like to do something with maybe let's pull up an iPhone user from the crowd. Anyone using an Apple iPhone? iPhone is like more of securities. Everybody knows. One Face ID, one password. And perfect, lovely. Let's unlock his phone first. Have you shared your password with anyone, or your colleagues, or your wife? Wife को भी नहीं पता क्या बात है. चलो let's do this. But so which iPhone is this? This is iPhone 14, perfect. And we are meeting for the very first time, right? You got a 6-digit password, right? And I have really no idea. I'm meeting him for the very first time, right? Sir, can you please unlock your phone with your Face ID, with your password? That's okay. I have really no idea what set of password do you have. Does this password mean anything to you, or it's just a random numbers? Does it mean anything to you? Lovely. Let's try this. Let me quickly 1, 2, and 3. Lock it. So right now you can clearly see the phone is locked. I have no idea what password. Can you look in my eyes and think of the password? Do you have a repeated number in this password? Yes? No? Perfect. Can you think of the first number? Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth? I think this could be the combination of his iPhone and his iPhone. It really unlocks. any iPhone in this room, I can unlock it using mentalism. Now, once we are inside your phone, sir, I can see you have so many names, so many contacts, clientele, friends, family, मिला के 1000+ contact हो सकते हैं. Can you show me your right finger like this, please? And touch the screen and mix the contact. Just आगे पीछे shuffle the names, and anywhere you feel you can stop. और थोड़ा सा आप कर सकते हो, no problem. I'm gonna lock the phone right there. Sir, now there is a random name on the lock screen. Can you open the phone first? And once you open it, the first name on the screen, you remember the name, the first name, the top name. Done. And lock the phone and you can keep it in your wallet. Perfect. Keep it back in your pocket. Now, there is a random name out of your contact list. I have no idea, right? Sir, can you extend your right hand for me, please? And look in my eyes and think of this name. Think of the first letter. The smile on your face shows that this name is the name of a female. Okay, that was just a guess. I'm so sorry. That was just a guess. But I'll try this. Can you put your one finger like this and think of the name, repeat the name in your mind. The name is Ranjana Bankura. Is it? Any random name. I can even tell you the name of your first crush, but we'll do that eventually. But really, thank you for joining, sir. Thank you. Okay, let's make it a little interesting with the cards. These are completely normal deck of cards. Okay, can we do this with sir? Can we do this with sir? Perfect. Sir, which phone do you use? Which phone? Micromax. Oh my God, it's a little more difficult for me to unlock now. But sir, now you can check I have all the cards completely normal. Simple deck of cards, I've just opened it. Sir, in a moment, I'm going to riffle down the thumb like this. You tell me stop anywhere you want. I'm going to stop right there, okay? Please. Can you show this card roughly to everyone? Everyone remember the card. I'm going to face this way so I cannot see the card in the LED as well. Perfect. Even you take a look. What card is that? You remember the card. Aap bhi dekh lo, please. Done. Okay. Perfect. Now, sir, can you mix the card anywhere you want? Now he picked a random card. I have no idea what card is that, right? Perfect. Give it a little shuffle as well. So you're confident that your card is lost. Perfect. Done. Now, sir, I'm going to reveal this random card on your iPhone. Would you believe that? No? Message, random message. But can you open the settings in your phone, please? Settings. And we're going to show this to everyone in the crowd as well. Perfect. And let me face this way. I'm going to brighten up the screen completely. And sir, we have multiple Wi-Fis around us. The Hyatt Wi-Fi, the Regency Wi-Fi, many Wi-Fis. I want you to think of your card and open the Wi-Fi. Please think of your card once and open the Wi-Fi, please. And we're going to see each and every Wi-Fi names. Can you hold this, please? I'm going to check it in my Wi-Fi as well. Watch. Each and every Wi-Fi names will automatically turn into... Can you look in my eyes, please? Think of the color of your card. Is it a red color card? Okay, let me just do this. 1 second, done. Can you extend your right hand for me, just like this? Watch. I'm going to try this. If this was your card by any chance, the 5 of hearts, sure. I'm going to take a 5 of hearts right here. Just put on the settings and put the phone on top. Just put on the settings, yeah, and put the phone on top right here, and put your other hand on top as well, like a sandwich. But this is not your card, 100%, right? I'm going to use a little bit of fire illusion in this illusion. I'm going to take a piece of tissue paper. I'm going to light it for you, sir, and watch. The card in your hand will automatically turn into... Take a look, turn the card, show to everyone, please. Is it the 7 of hearts, the card which you picked? Is it? Perfect, thank you, sir. Okay, the Wi-Fi thing. Can you open the calculator in your phone? Let's do something interesting with the calculator and the Wi-Fi. Now, sir, you hit any single number on the screen, any one number. You can show me the number, that's okay, no problem. You can show me that's a 5. And can we hold the phone just like this so everybody can see this? And perfect. Now, let me open my calculator quickly. 1, 2, and done. Sir, is this your lucky number or just it's random out of you? Perfect. Let me just go with 1, 2, and done. Let me brighten up the screen. And now, a little like this. 1 by 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 on your iPhone, right? I'm going to pick 1, 5 from your screen. And I'm going to throw it on mine. This is a completely ordinary calculator. Nothing. But the second one, watch, the second 5, let me simply pick it up and let me place it here. Can you show me your left finger like this, please? Left finger. Watch, the third 5, let me pick it up, let me give it to you, and can you touch anywhere on the screen, please? Watch. No, that's not right, sir. You touched in the wrong direction. Sir, can you blow from that side? Blow, please. Watch. And the last 5, let me pick it up and watch. I'm going to 1, 2, and... This is a completely ordinary calculator. I can in fact do it in your calculator as well. Is it? Yes. 3, 2, 1. Yes, it is. It's a completely normal iPhone. Yes, now sir is satisfied, but thank you so much, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, the next illusion, I would like to do it with you, sir. Is that okay? This is something very special. You will love it. This is something which you will feel it, really. Please, right here. नहीं गायब नहीं करूँगा अब तक. Perfect, sir. Please. Now, let's do. Sir, have you heard of David Blaine? David Blaine is one of the famous street magicians. Okay, we'll do a trick which David Blaine performs, sir. You tell me stop anywhere you want. Stop, please. Can you show this card to everyone? Do not show it to me. Even you take a look. What card is that? Please. Yes, take a look and show it to everyone, please. No, I'm going to face like this. Perfect. Random card, everyone remember what card is that, and you can slide it literally anywhere you want, please, anywhere you want. You can mix it. Let me just square up the cards nicely. Let me give it a one-hand fan, one-hand cut. Your cards are getting absolutely mixed, absolutely shuffled, right? Now, sir, can you look in my eyes, please, and think of the color of your card. Is it a black color card? Yes. A black has a spades and a clubs. Please think of the suite. Tell me which hand you write with. You write with, yes? Your right hand, straight like this, please. Can you fold it and right here on your hands, please check. You see, there is a tattoo on your hand which shows that your card was a Queen of Clubs. Can you show to everyone, please? The Queen of Clubs has been automatically been printed on his arm. Abhi ye 6 mahine ke baad jayega tattoo, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay, we'll do it with sir. Is that okay? Just randomly. Is that okay, sir, with you? One in the blue blazer? Yeah. Please. Yeah, it's a random quick trick. We'll do it for you. Cool, yes. Just relax completely, yeah. It's a very fun trick. But sir, which is the maximum value of note you have it in your wallet? It could be 100, it could be a 500. Now, I'm going to return it back to you, and I'm going to keep this note straight on your right hand and slightly close it. Random note out of your wallet. Let me open my calculator. One moment, please. And sir, we are meeting for the first time, right? Let me just quickly 1, 2, and done. Okay, sir, for the first time, can you tell us which year you were born? Your birth year is 19, please. 75, watch, I'm going to hit 1975 on a calculator. Cool, perfect. I'm going to multiply this. Sir, do you mind telling us your age? It comes down to 48. Watch, let me multiply this by your age 48. Let me multiply this by your lucky 3 digits. Any 3 numbers which comes into mind, please. Yes? 150. Let me equal everything. This becomes a unique calculation according to your choices. But would it be possible that 450971 is the serial number of that note? Can you open the note, announce the number for everyone? And the number is 450971. If you both feel any touch on your body, you remember the touch. Okay? Perfect. We all are watching you. Can you both please close your eyes for 10 seconds? Keep your eyes closed. I'll tell you when to open it. Relax completely. Check. 1, 2, and 3. Open your eyes. Sir, did you feel any touch on your body? Really? You can ask each each and every one, I just touched ma'am with this card and you felt it on the same place. It means you have a great compatibility, you have a great bond. Again for 10 seconds, please keep your eyes closed. Let me try this. 1, 2, open your eyes. Ma'am, this time you felt the touch. Can you point where exactly? I just touched him on his chin and you felt it. It's a great 23 years together. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. Let's do it. Let's do the first crush trick. But sir, I'm sure your wife is not here, right? Lovely. So we can do it. Please. Sir, can you open your phone, unlock your phone, please? And see, Wikipedia is something which gives information about any personality. You type any name, you get something written about it. Open Safari in your phone, please, Safari, and type Wiki Count, WIKICOUNT. This link will show us how many articles are there on Wikipedia right now. WIKICOUNT, and will show this to everyone how many articles are there, and search it, please. Lovely. And let me show, perfect. So right now, Wikipedia has approximately, let's see, 68 lakhs of article possible. Can you please repeat the number for me? 68 08 441. Let me multiply this number by average number of words in per article. It is a 4-digit number below that. It is 2037, which means Wikipedia has approximately 138 crores of words, right? So can you please click the link, visit Wikipedia right there? Yes, and you'll see a search box on the right-hand side top corner, right here. Perfect, let it load quickly, right here. Sir, you search, in that search box, you search the name of your first ever crush you had on someone. The first ever crush. In your school days, because I'm meeting you for the first time. I have zero idea, I have no pre-setup before this show. You enter the name of your first crush. Your friends are so excited to know your first crush. कौन सी But oh, you have recent, but enter the name of your first crush. Oh yeah, so it becomes super difficult for me to even go into your past. And see, I have really no idea what name is in your mind, sir. Enter the name and search it. So now it's getting a little interesting. Recording. Perfect, enter the name and search it. Perfect, now I have really no idea what name you have searched and enter it. Search the name. So you have something written about it as a description, right? From that description, you scroll a little bit, please, and you pick up any random big word in your mind, which has around 8 to 10 alphabets. Any big word, you zoom the word, and you lock the phone. I'm giving you a free, any random word which is quite big enough, 8 to 10 alphabets, 12 alphabets, you remember that word and lock the phone. Perfect. So this word, you believe there is no way I know this word, and the name, it's absolutely impossible. Now, is it okay if I record your reaction? Is that okay? Perfect. I'm going to open my, okay, 1 second, let me just, okay, can you please, again press the visit, just back a little bit, please. No, just here, just reverse the back page, please, back page again. And, perfect, let's try it. So do you have a recent crush as well? A crush? A recent crush, yeah. Let's go with that. Just back a little bit, and it's okay. It's okay. The first crush, it's okay. We'll do it. The recent crush. Back, and tell me the updated number. 6804 6808 Every minute, some articles add on it, and the average number of words is 2697, which means there are a little bit more, 183. Click the link, visit Wikipedia, please. And on the search box, you search the name of your recent crush. That's a little interesting. Your friends would like to know the recent crush. Yes, any. Your wife is not here. You can be completely relaxed. Not yet. Perfect. Yeah, on the search box, enter the name and search it. Do not show it to me. I have really no clue what name are you searching. Perfect. Enter it. Yeah, you have something written below it. You pick up a big word in your mind, please. A random big word in your mind. Just remember a big word. Again. Earlier you have a word in your mind, right? Perfect. Let's just quickly open my calculator right in front of you. On my video, I'm going to put it on and I'm going to record this reaction for you, sir. Can you extend? Just lock the phone. It's okay. I have no idea what name have you searched. Yes, out of the screen, and just lock it and extend your right hand for me, please. Look in my eyes. Think of the name of your recent crush. I can see this name is a 6 to 7 letters word. Yes? Yes. Okay, I am trying to connect your mind. Is it starting from a letter P by any chance? No, no, P, I'm on the right track now. And can you repeat the word in your mind like Pallavi, 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 Pallavi. Pallavi is the name of your recent crush, but but the big word, which is in your mind, you picked up freely, is it starting from a letter R by any chance? The big word, yes, yes. You could have picked any word. And the big word is recommended. Absolutely right. Perfect. Now it's going to be a secret in this room. Whatever happened in this, it's going to stay in this room. Don't worry, sir. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, let's do a little more interesting. Sir, can we do something for you, please? Lovely, yes, yes. Kya baat hai? Yes, let's do a little intellectual trick for you, sir. Lovely, already you have a good fan following, so very good evening, Rajesh sir. Lovely. So which phone do you use? Phone do you use? Samsung. Oh, now it's a little difficult for me to, but can you please open the dial pad in your phone, the dial pad, just out of random, I'm going to try something extraordinary with you. So do you remember your birth time approximately, what time? Yeah, okay, perfect. Let me open my calculator and turn it into a scientific calculator. Watch. Once we turn the calculator just like this, it becomes a scientific calculator, right? So can you please tell us your birth time? 6 a.m. Watch, I'm going to hit 600. I'm going to multiply your birth time by your birth year, please. 1965. Clear? Perfect. Let me multiply this by, just out of random, any of your vehicle number. Any of your vehicle number. Just I have no idea what vehicles do you have. Any of your vehicle number, please. 5. 5 is the only number. Lovely. Let me multiply it by 5 and let me equal it. So you believe this is a complete random, unique calculation. Sir, can you open the dial pad and type this number on the dial pad for me, please? 7977 358861. And can you connect the call that number for me, give it a call. Each and every number, it becomes a calculation of my mobile number. Is your number ending with 44835? Yes, now you have my number. Anytime you have to invite me, you have the direct contact. Thank you, Rajesh sir. Thank you. Lovely. Okay, let's do something with the ladies out here. Is there any ladies carrying a lipstick by any chance? I'm sure you have. A lipstick. Any ladies with a lipstick? Lovely, ma'am. Can you please get a lipstick and just please join us on stage? Perfect. This is something which I might teach you after the show. Perfect. And I hope that's not a MAC lipstick. Yeah, but it's okay. I'm not going to spoil it. Please, a little like this. Perfect. Yeah. Okay. But have you used this lipstick before? Okay, lovely. Let me just keep it here for now. That's okay. I'm going to keep it here for now, right in front of you. Ma'am, can you please put your hands like this, please? And take it down a little bit. Perfect. For the first time, I'm going to ask you, you're wearing accessories on your right side. I believe you're a right-handed. Perfect. Can you lower your right hand a little bit and close your left hand tight? Perfect. You can drop your right hand, that's completely fine. Now, ma'am, a borrowed lipstick, okay? Have you heard of a term which is voodoo? Voodoo. It is just imaginary, but I'm going to demonstrate what voodoo looks like. I'm going to use a borrowed lipstick. Is it okay if I use it a little bit? Perfect. A little bit of lipstick. I'm going to rub this on my left palm. Can you see that? Perfect. Now, the illusion is, I'm going to rub this lipstick right in the center of my left palm. Ma'am, do you feel anything happening inside your palm? A little bit of yes. Can you turn your hand, open it, and show it to everyone? The lipstick is there in a left palm. Is it the same lipstick? You can smell it. Is it yours? Absolutely. Lovely. Perfect. Yes. Perfect. Okay. Sir, lovely. Sir, your name, please? Mukeshji. Please, right here. Mukeshji, okay, I'm going to try something realistic with Mukeshji. Yes, okay, perfect. Mukeshji, are you wearing this blazer for the first time today? कि इसके पहले आपने पहना है? इसके पहले पहना है. But, okay, and you're carrying an extra set of blazer as well? Yes? आपने extra blazer? nahi, chalega, relax, let's not freak him out. But only for this illusion, I'm gonna use a completely ordinary cigarette. Only for this magic. Okay, watch. Quickly, I'm gonna light this cigarette first, so this becomes a little more realistic trick. And sir, okay, you can take a drag and you can make sure that this is a real cigarette, please. Oh God. Perfect. And a little like this, please. Perfect. Is there anything on your left? Yeah. Perfect. Let me take a cigarette and watch. For the first time, I'm gonna take this real cigarette, a lit cigarette, and I'm gonna make a little, turn a little like this, please, and relax completely, put your hands down. I'm gonna make a little hole right here. And a lit cigarette. I'm gonna clearly right? You can clearly see the cigarette has already gone through his blazer. I'm so sorry, sir. There might be a hole today, but if I blow this, the cigarette is gone. It's gone. A lit cigarette has just disappeared. It might come back tomorrow when you go back home. बाहर आ सकता है. It's really gone. But just one more thing. Sir, have you heard of a term? Static energy. Let's take static to a little different level. So can I borrow your glasses, please? Your glasses, please? Yes. Lovely. And then let's do this right on here. Perfect. I'm going to take normal glasses, right? I'm going to keep these glasses right in the center. And sir, watch. A little bit of energy around these glasses will help me to flip it. A completely normal glasses. Perfect. Thank you. Perfect. Let's try something for you, sir. And just see your hands a little bit like this. Perfect. Okay, lovely. Sir, okay, let's try something with this trick is known as the haunted deck. Okay, I'm going to try a very cool card trick for you. A completely normal cards, right? Sir, can you please pick any card you want? Pick one, please. Do not show the card to me. Show to everyone in the crowd. Just roughly show to everyone, please. I'm going to turn right here. Perfect. Everyone remember the card, please. Done. And even you take a look. You remember the card, please. Done. Perfect. And let me slide the card somewhere in the center. Right? Perfect. I have zero idea what card you have picked. Now, sir, I'm going to keep this deck right on this. And so you please think of your card, imagine your card, and I'll try to 1, 2, and 3. This deck will automatically cut to a particular card. And one card, it automatically flips out, which is exactly, please, your selection, right? So do you have a back pocket with you? Perfect. Let me just quickly. What card is that? It's a 7 of spades. A random card picked by you. I'm going to take this 7 of spades. Your right hand, please. And I'm going to keep this 7 right here. Just can you place it inside your back pocket? Just inside your back pocket. Perfect. Now I'm going to use one more card, which is a joker. Okay. The illusion is I'm going to take a joker. Watch. 1. I'm going to teleport this joker inside your hand, inside your pocket. Please, can you take out the card from your pocket and show it to everyone, please? Is that a joker in your pocket? Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, really. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Yes, anyone else would like to join? Sir, please, lovely. Yes, we have a very enthusiastic audience. Lovely. Let's try something interesting with him. All right. Sir, okay, we'll try a little different type of magic for you. Sir, have you heard of this term mentalism? Mentalism. Have you heard of this term before? Mentalism. Mentalism is something reading someone's thought, transferring someone's thought to someone's mind. Okay, is your wife here? Your wife? She's here. Can you please call her out for this trick? Lovely. Yes, lovely. Ma'am is here. Perfect. Me and sir are going to perform this trick, okay? And you're the audience along with them. Ma'am, I want you to please select a card for me. You tell me stop anywhere, but do not show the card to me and sir. Okay? Can you please tell me
Can I
stop?
see the
Yeah,
pack of
please,
cards,
please. Now, yes, a little bit, yeah. This is getting interesting. You can check each and every card.
She's an engineer, by the way.
Yes, he's a very good observer. Yes, normal deck, simple deck. Right, perfect. Wow, you are very good with cards, ma'am. And yes, let me just put one card in your subconscious mind. All the cards are completely normal
Yeah,
and different.
I
And your name, ma'am? Your name is?
Madhu Mittal.
Madhu, ma'am. Madhu, ma'am, can you please tell me stop anywhere?
Yeah.
Is that okay? Can you show this? Do not show it to me and sir, please. Everyone take a look. What card is that? I'm going to face right here, sir. Do not see the card, please. Just roughly show it to everyone.
But then you will
No, I'm not looking at Yeah, no, please. Now, everyone remember what card is that? Perfect, done. Some random card. And Madhu ma'am, even you remember the card, please. Did you see the card? And you mix the card any way you want. I'm going to hold that mic for you. Shuffle it, give it a mix, give it a little. Yeah, perfect. The card is 100% lost. We have, sir, you have really no idea, right? What card is that? Perfect, yes. Now, ma'am, can you hold this? Now, sir, a little here, please. And, sir, ma'am, I want you to transfer the card into his mind. I know it's practically not possible, but, sir, can you put your one finger and you close your ears, please? Close your ear. And put your other finger, you close the other ear, please. Perfect. And let's try this. 1 second, ma'am. You try to transfer the card into his mind, really. I'm telling you. Watch. 1. Do you try to listen whatever you can, please? 1, 2. Can you hear something? Yes? Do you hear a queen, jack, heart? What do you hear? Yeah? 37. Okay, ma'am, please try it again for him, please. 1, 2, and... Yeah? Anything? A queen, heart, diamond. What do you hear, sir? Okay. Can you pass the mic to him, please? Can you pass the mic to him, please? Yes. Let's see what have you heard. The card is?
Queen of Diamonds.
Is that the card? It is really the card. And you heard a voice, right?
I
A female voice?
I heard that voice. Yeah.
A female robotic voice,
Yes.
right?
No, it wasn't your voice. There was a voice.
But now you can connect without any saying anything. The crush wala thing, really? Let's do it. Now ma'am has demanded.
No. I'm not interested in something like this.
But yeah, you remember your first crush name, sir?
Sorry?
You remember your first crush name?
Whose name?
First crush name?
I never had.
Never. I mean, he's very smart, of course.
Yeah, I had Madhu. Yeah, okay.
Okay, but let's try something for Madhu ma'am and you, sir. Okay. Ma'am, sir, you can check all the cards are completely different. Let me just quickly give this phone to you, sir. And can you please hold this phone just facing this way? I'm going to brighten up the screen completely and just hold this like this. Perfect. So everybody can see this in the lovely. Now, ma'am, except the last card, which is the 6 of hearts, you remember any card in your mind. Just catch one card in your head, okay? Watch. 1, 2, and 3. You remember one? Now, we have really no idea what card is in your mind, right? Let me just give it a guess. Let me just a guess, ma'am. Was this your card by any chance? Sure, yes, no, it's okay, no problem. Yes? Pakka? Ma'am, every iPhone has a sensor to scan and open the Face ID. I'm going to take this King of Spades. I'm going to wave right on this sensor. And the card, it changes to the 2 of Spades. The illusion is, ma'am, I'm going to wave my hand right like this, snap, and the time. Can you see? The time is going back to 56, 55, 54, and stop 6:53. And the time in each and everyone's phone. Check your phones. Everybody's phone, gonna be 6:53. Yeah. And you face the audience. Perfect. I'm gonna take the mic for you. And I wish in a moment, if you feel any touch on your right body part, anywhere on your right, you put your right hand top and take it down. Simple. And if you feel a touch anywhere on your left, you put your left hand top and take it down. Cool. Ayush, can you please close your eyes for 10 seconds? I'll tell you when to open it, and let's start. Watch. Perfect, right. Keep your eyes closed. Yes. Open your eyes. Sir, I touched him only twice. उसके बाद मैंने आपको टच ही नहीं किया है. सिर्फ 2 बार टच किया स्टार्ट में. After I never touch. You can ask each and everyone in the crowd. Seriously. Yes, I just touched you once and twice at the start. After that, I never touched you. This is a part of Hypnotize. You were in, but really. Manoj sir, which phone do you use?
iPhone.
Okay, you would like to see an iPhone trick or a card trick? You tell me. Anything. Okay, let's do something with the iPhone. Can you please unlock your phone? Open it once. Open it. Let's see which iPhone you have. Okay, lovely. And let me just quickly, 3, 2, 1. Okay, can you hold this for a moment? And let me just quickly, yeah. So I have a very specialized thing in my phone, which is this, the golden hand. Have you seen anything before this, like just like this? Nothing. Let me brighten up the screen completely. And let's do this with my phone. You can keep the phone for now. You can keep the phone in your pocket again. Perfect. And just hold this, please. Lovely. Now, I'm going to show you each and every single card is completely different, simple deck, right? Sir, you choose a card for me. You tell me stop anywhere you want. Stop, please. Anywhere. You show this card to everyone. Do not show it to me, please. Everyone, remember the card. Let me face this way. Done? Perfect. Can you mix the card anywhere you want, put it back. Let me just shuffle the cards. Let me give it a good mix and let me give it a cut. So your card is lost. I have no idea. So can you hold the deck just like this, please? Yes, and just, yeah, perfect. Now, I'm going to take this thing in my phone and my phone will automatically scan your mind and watch. And I'm going to pull the exact card. Watch. Out. Is that your card? Perfect, perfect, done. Thank you. Okay, एक और एक चीज़ आप देखना चाहोगे? Something? Okay, let's do something interesting. Card, yeah, card सबसे पहले आप check करना. Now you should have. Perfect. Yeah, you can mix it, you can shuffle it completely. Because this is something, it requires skills. There is no magic in cards, really. I can do it with your borrowed deck as well. Now, sir, you can check all the cards are different. Can you please tell me, just pick any one card you want. Just pick any one, please. Free choice. And just do not show the card. Or else you can tell me, stop anywhere you want. Stop, please. Stop. Is it okay? Just show this card to everyone. Do not show it to me, please. Done? You would like to change the card? Is it okay? And can you mix the card maybe here? Put it back, please. Or else anywhere you want, frankly. So you should be confident that your card is getting mixed. It's getting shuffled, please. No, I haven't seen the card yet. But if you want, I can do it again. Okay, let's do it again. Yes, now, yes, a little interesting. Now, again, sir, can you please tell me, stop anywhere? Stop. Take a look, what card is this? Okay, again, please, no problem. Stop. Yeah, show this card to everyone, please. Anywhere, I really have no, let me shuffle it, let me cut it, and perfect. Just stop, yeah, show this to everyone. He's not selling it. Okay, we'll try it one last time. Again, you tell me stop right there, yeah? Show it to everyone. Yes, and wherever you tell me stop, I'm going to stop right there. Sachi, take a look, what card? Show to everyone, please. Cool. Can you mix the card maybe here somewhere? Put it back, please. Yes. Anywhere, yeah? Here, maybe. Perfect. I'm going to shuffle the cards. I'm going to mix the cards. And I'm going to break it again, right? Can you please look in my eyes and think of the shape of your card? Okay, I'm just trying this. I think your card was a black color card, right? Just a guess, sir. Was this your card by any chance? No. The Jack of Spades, I'm going to shake it. And please imagine your card, only in your mind. Okay, watch. I'm going to turn the Jack into an 8. But if I take the 8 of clubs, let me keep it right here. Let me just squeeze it. And it's gone. I have a different card in my hand, which is a 10 of spades. I'm going to take a 10, and I'm going to turn it into an 8. You can check this card, please. Right? It's going to be somewhere, of course. But yes, he's the most nice observation person I've ever seen. But thank you so much, sir. Your phone, which phone do you use? iPhone, Android? iPhone. Okay, let's do an iPhone trick. Hold this, please. And, sir, can you open the YouTube in your phone? YouTube, please. Let's do a little technology magic with him. YouTube. And minimum the volume completely. Minimum the volume completely, please. Side se aap volume ekdam kam kar dena. And, sir, prediction is something which might happen in the future. Prediction, right? I'm going to quickly predict a song which I think might be your favorite song. I think it could be a favorite song. मैं आपको बताऊंगा नहीं. I'm gonna search a song on your YouTube. Okay. Till that time, आप कोई भी एक song के बारे में आप सोचो. Any random song. Just think of a song. Let me quickly make my selection for you. 1 second. 1, 2, and done. So can you extend your right hand for me, please, just like this. I'm gonna make a selection. 1 second, please. 1, 2, and done. So you have a song in your mind, right? I'm already just like this. I'm gonna play the song, start the song, and keep it face down, okay? I have already predicted a song of my choice, okay? For the first time, tell me which song is going in your head. Please. मुझे छू रही है, मुझे छू रही है. ये बहुत ही पुराना सॉन्ग है, राइट? जस्ट एज अ कलेक्शन ऑफ सॉन्ग, आई एम गोना नोट इट डाउन ऑन माय नोटपैड. मुझे छू रही है. कौन से मूवी का था, आपको याद है कुछ? कौन से मूवी का था, कौन से आर्टिस्ट? नहीं नहीं, यही सॉन्ग चलेगा. कौन से मूवी का था, आपको याद है? विच मूवी इज दिस सॉन्ग इज? It's a random song. मुझे छू रही है. But I never knew this could be a favorite song, right? So for the first time, I'm gonna volume up the screen from the side. Is it the same song? मुझे छू रही है. In fact, ये song मैंने 58 seconds पहले मैंने choose किया था. I knew you're gonna say this song, मुझे छू रही है. That's a super technology what we use. But really, thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Yes, lovely. Hitendra ji, lovely, perfect. Okay, so ma'am, it's a, matlab you have seen the effect. How does it work? And you felt it, right? Okay. So before we start this illusion, this is very quick. This is very simple. I'm gonna open a lipstick and quickly gonna take a little bit of lipstick on my right middle finger. This is super quick. I did it very quickly. You didn't saw it. And can you show me your hands, both your hands, and turn it? So when I ask you that you're wearing your accessory on your right or left, so I point this thing on your left palm. Okay? And then when you ask it's a right hand, I ask you to drop your right hand and close your left hand. And then comes the story. The voodoo, the black magic. I'm going to take a hair, tie it to a doll, and you close your left hand, please. So when I do this, some people feel it. You also felt it because psychologically I was playing with you, right? And when I ask you to open your hand, the lipstick on your hand, right? So the one step is just you have to clip it when you just separate the hands. Yes, perfect. Now you can do it with your friends. Yes, and you can never share this to anyone, please. Yes, lovely, lovely, perfect, done. ओके मैम, आपको किसी चीज का फोबिया है? किस चीज का बोलना प्लीज? हाइट का फोबिया. ओके, लेट्स नॉट इन्वॉल्व हाइट इन दिस, बट मैम कैन यू एक्सटेंड योर लेफ्ट हैंड फॉर मी प्लीज? लेफ्ट हैंड. एंड आई हैव अ स्पेशलाइज्ड app in my phone. I'm just gonna click a picture of your left palm, and I'm gonna keep this phone right here and slide a little bit so everybody can see this. Hold it, just perfect. Yeah. Now, ma'am, if I wave my hand, can you see something walking on your hand? It's a cockroach. I hope you're not scared of cockroaches, right? Ma'am, I'm gonna touch the cockroach like this, and it's gone. If I wave my hand, snap, and the cockroach is back on the screen. You feel the vibrations? Ma'am, to call the cockroach, right on this sensor, can you slowly wave your hand on top like this? Ma'am, it's on your hand. She's the wrong person I chose. Okay, you would like to see a card trick or you something else? Anything. Okay, watch. So here, I have a simple gold ring, right? Can you please check? It's a complete ring. It won't open from anywhere. It's मतलब कोई magical ring नहीं है. Right? Perfect. I'm going to take this ring and I'm going to place this ring on your right palm for me, please. Just turn like this. Watch. And the ring, 1, 2, and 3. It jumps in my finger. The ring, if I take it in my middle finger, let me push it down. The ring, it shifts in my pinky finger. If I take the ring, let me just pull it off. It's gone. And if I take the ring, let me just squeeze it, please. आपके पास आ जाएगी गोल्ड रिंग है, नहीं तो मैं आपको दे देता था. But really, thank you so much, ma'am. Really, thank you. Okay. Lovely. Thank you so much. In fact, I am a close-up artist. I'm going to personally come to you and perform something more interesting. But really, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the illusion and you got a perfect definition what illusion looks like. Lovely. Perfect. Okay, can I just randomly interact with the crowd? Okay, let's do something for this table. Yes, okay. Hi, sir. Very good evening. Lovely. Okay, so which phone do you use? Yeah, unlock your phone once, open it. Let's do a quick iPhone trick for you. 1, 2, and done. Perfect. And yeah, and open the calculator in your phone, the calculator. Perfect. I'm gonna show you in detail how does the number illusion looks like. And you type any single number on the screen, any one number, please. Yeah, okay, you would like to know the secret behind this? No, okay, no, but I'm going to show you in detail how it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to open my calculator and see this. In real, I can pick one number and I can drop it in my phone.
Pick another one.
Again, the second 9, let me pick it up and let me place it here. आप एक बार अपनी एक फिंगर आगे करना ऐसे प्लीज. देखो ये जो थर्ड 9 है वो मैं आपको देके आप यहाँ पर कहीं पे टच कर दो. इनफैक्ट इस नंबर को हम पहले फिक्स करते वॉच 1, 2 and 3 एंड द लास्ट. इनफैक्ट एक ऐसी टेक्निक है कि मैं इस 9 को पहले उठाकर वॉच 1, 2 and 3. In fact, this is an illusion. In fact, so your phone has a password in it. Okay, I'm going to unlock it again. It's a 4-digit password. आप सब में से किसी को पता नहीं आपका password क्या है. Can you please unlock your phone, open it once with your Face ID, please? Done? Perfect. And let me just quickly 1, 2, and done. I'm going to just try this quickly. Yes, okay. And for the first time, I'm going to lock the phone. And let's keep it. So your phone is locked right now. Your Face ID might open it or there's a password. Can you look in my eyes? Think of the first number, second, third, and fourth. Watch, I'm going to hit this calculation and the combination, it actually unlocks the phone. Perfect, done. Thank you. Free में कर दूँगा. आपको सिर्फ एक show book करना है बस. But really, thank you sir. Please, thank you.
So can we put our hands together once again for illusionist Ashwam? Huge round of applause. Okay, thank you Ashwam. May I request DG, Mahesh and Sujata to kindly present to him a small token of our appreciation. Ashwam, please come down to receive it.
We'll begin first with the gratitude for Garima Mishra, who spoke on public image. She was concise, she had a vision which she shared with all of us. We then had Ruchi Rai and Pran Mehta ji speaking on literacy. Again, they work like hell on literacy. And whatever they said carried weight. What does one say about the illusionist Ashwam Tharthare? I don't know, I couldn't figure out anything. It was just some illusion all the time. I don't know what magic he was doing. But that's what it was. I know your interest in the session was confined to this much only. And now we will come back to the evening part. Friends, it is 7:15 right now. And that's the time in your watches also. It's not an illusion. It is 7:13. At 8:30, which is reasonable, 8:30, we'll start with the evening program. There are 20 zones to cover. All of you have worked very hard for this. We want to respect everybody who's practiced. 20 zones, we must start at 8:30, please. Right? 8:30 is 8:30. Okay. Third thing, tomorrow morning, all the presidents-elect are going to have a one-on-one with District Governor-elect Mahesh Trikhaji. I've mentioned about it earlier. At 7:30, again, exact 7:30 IST, first 25 of you, and this will be put on the group, first 25 will be there at sharp 7:25, please. Mahesh ji wants to give half an hour to this group for a virtual one-on-one. Right? You all will be there. Followed by the next group of 25 and the third group of 25. The 75 presidents-elect present with us. So this will be, I have not seen this kind of one-on-one. Normally it's been a big group having breakfast and talking, and many keep quiet. They never speak. Here you are encouraged to come up with what you want to say to the governor, to the district governor, right? So utilize this opportunity, think tonight what you want to discuss. That's the third part. I'm going to send out the zones. It's a mix. It's not number serial wise. Delhi, Faridabad, Gurgaon, and Rohtak will be in every single of the three groups. It's a mix. And you will be informed about it. I didn't want to confuse earlier. Now I will post it on the group. I think time for all these announcements is over. So let's have some nice chart, which has been agreed. The lawn just on the side. This is a special Agra ki chart. As special as illusionist Ashwam Thartare was. Enjoy the chart and disappear to practice.